Okay, so here it is. This is how I'm fishing this bomber long A. It's just your basic bomber long A. It's the floating edition. Don't get the suspending edition, because once suspending edition, if it goes under water, it'll stay there. You want it to float back up to the surface, and which is what allows it to wake. But this is the 3-hook version. They also come in a 2-hook, smaller version. I like this size. This is just basically kind of got a bone bottom, a little bit of chartreuse on it, but anything in that bone chartreusey color for smallmouth is good, and then any shad patterns are good as well. But the way I basically rigged this up is I got it tied on a braid main line, and you could use just monofilament for your main line. I just tend to prefer braid for the castability, and then I tie that braid to a mono 25-pound mono leader, and that mono basically does two things. It allows the fish not to see the braid, and number two, that heavy mono allows it to float. And then what I do is I tie a loop knot directly to my long A. I remove the swivel. If it comes with a swivel that from the store, I remove that little swivel or eye-ring, and I replace it with a standard loop knot. If you don't know what the loop knot is, you can look it up online. There's a lot of resources for you to find how to tie knots. But that's basically it. So braid or mono main line to a mono leader if you're using braid, loop knot, and the long A. That's what I'm using, and that's how I'm catching these fish.